Hello everyone. So these days we've been hearing about a new chatbot that has come, which is ChatGPT. So a lot has been said. We're hearing a lot of things. So let's talk about ChatGPT today, shall we? Is it useful, or is it? It's just like another bot. For example, we have used Siri before in Samsung. A lot of us, we used Bixby. So, or is it just something like that? So let's go into it. Let's see what's happening, right? The acronym GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The name itself tells you that it has information already trained or given to it, right? So which makes it very clear that it has a wide range of information, which makes it very different from Siri or Bixby. It has a lot of information that is already trained or already fed up to ChatGPT, but it is limited. We'll get onto the limitations in a while, but first let's talk about how it works, right? So ChatGPT answers a wide range of questions that anyone might have from its previously recorded data. So whatever data it has been trained to, it will only answer those questions, right? And what makes it different from all the other tools or all other digital assistants is basically its natural dialect. The way it talks, the way it speaks, the natural dialect of ChatGPT is so real that people are basically having fun with it, let's call it that way, but they're using it for different other purposes as well. And that is why the downloads for ChatGPT has gone in millions within 5 days only. So that's basically a new landmark that technology has crossed now, right? So that's basically how, that is why ChatGPT has gone so popular. No, it does not give any real-time information. So it only, as talked earlier, it only gives you information that it is already trained into. The information that is already given to ChatGPT, it will give you only those kind of information. It won't give you real-time information. So for example, if an event has happened 15 minutes earlier, and the whole world knows about it, ChatGPT probably would not know about it unless it is trained to do so. So because of that, it does not give you real-time information, and it is bound to make mistakes. It will have inaccuracies. It will have mistakes for some topics. It has its limitations as well, as it is not giving you real-time information. It's an assistant bot. So it's an assistant bot to do your daily, day-to-day tasks. For example, schedule a meeting, make an Excel sheet, or set up a timer, or teach me coding or language or anything like that, right? So it will teach you, it will give you all of that, but it's only an assistant. It's not a real time, it's not in real time. Founders of ChatGPT are from Microsoft, and the co-founders for LinkedIn, Reid Hoffman and Khosla Ventures are also the co-founders of ChatGPT, and one of the co-founders of ChatGPT was Elon Musk back in 2015. So all of them have worked together in order to make this a reality, or for this to come into being, right? Let's summarize now. ChatGPT is a bot, a learning bot that will give you information that will work for you as an assistant. It is bound to make mistakes as it is not giving you information in real time. But in general, it will give you factual information for the prior events that have happened according to its data, obviously. and it cannot be biased, it cannot be judgmental as any AI, it cannot reason, or it cannot be empathetic. So it can't do all of that, but it can give you factual information, detailed information. In a lot of cases, we've also heard that people are saying the way in the dialect that the ChatGPT bot itself is teaching or telling or giving information, that is so natural that it becomes very easier to learn. So all of that is what makes a ChatGPT. I am sure there will be newer and a better model of technology that will come after ChatGPT. But till that time, let's wait and see what technology has for us. Thank you very much. God bless.